today we're gonna make lasagna. What's so special about it? Well, we're gonna make one vegetarian one and one normal one. So let's see what we get. Now let's go get ingredients. So hey guys, we're back from the supermarket. Now let's see what we got. So these are the things that we got from the supermarket. Yay! That's the chicken, tofu, thyme, garlic, onion, capsicum, whatever that thing is. Spinach, celery, cooking cream, portobello mushrooms. This is the thing we're gonna make it with. Yes, and lasagna pasta, chicken, cheese, and butter. Yay! Let's start. So the first step is to cut the celery into small fine pieces. So next is to cut the onions.
Dice the onions.
Dice the onions. So next step is to chop up mushrooms. Portobello mushrooms. Am I saying it right?
Portobello.
Portobello mushrooms. I'm sorry guys. I'm not a cook.
And yet here we are. So chef, what are we doing?
We're peeling garlic.
Then what?
Then we're gonna dice them.
Dice them? Should we dice them or mince them?
We should dice them and mince them.
Okay. What chef? Oh. Hey chef, what you making?
Minced meat.
That's how you make minced meat?
No, you dummy, that's tofu.
Oh, that's interesting. What are we gonna do with it?
We're gonna mince it and make it into meat.
Meat is made from tofu?
No, but for the vegetarian meat, you can substitute it with tofu.
Ooh. Will it taste different?
Most probably not.
Okay, let's see how this goes. What's up?
Cutting capsicums.
Cutting what now?
Capsicums.
Capsicums?
Yes.
Okay. What you doing?
Cutting spinach.
Why?
Because why not?
Okay. I'm going now.
So now let's let the real chef take over. So what are you doing?
Cutting butter.
So what are we doing?
We're lining the pan with butter right now, so we can proceed to stir fry our aromatics. So you got your garlic and thyme. Make sure the heat is not too high so you don't burn your butter, because butter burns very easily. And of course you do not want to burn your herbs, if not, it's not going to go well for your, what do you call it? Lasagna. So right now we are going to start cooking our vegetarian. So this is the thing I want to signify, alright? Some vegetarians out there might claim this is not vegetarian due to the fact that we are using garlic and herbs in here. This is just a very common vegetarian in which where we do not use meat in. So yeah. So you stir fry your aromatics, get that real nice thyme and garlic kind of smell coming out of it. Okay, when it's done, you have to add your vegetables. Hard ones first, followed by softer and easier to cook ones. So you want to go in with your celery first, okay? Onions provide a lot of sweetness to your lasagna, and it works as a very nice aromatic as well. Capsicum provide nice color and also a very unique taste to it. Right now, down goes in the mushrooms. Okay, just pop your pasta sauce in. Okay, so just cover it, let it simmer over real quick, alright, and then we move on to making the bechamel. This is called a ragu, okay?
What are we doing now?
Okay, so after you melt your butter, you add flour to it. After I first added the flour, it gets very kind of still watery. All right, it's still really it flows still very easily, so it's still not a consistency we're looking for. The consistency we're looking for is something almost like a thick cream. So we'll just keep mixing up until we reach that point. So now you see it's a bit clumpy and it doesn't really want to flow. It's almost like a solid, but it's not exactly a batter. So we're looking for like a really thick batter kind of thing. So what we can do right now is add a bit more butter. Okay, so after you've done, you're gonna look for something with consistency like this. Okay, so in a pot, so you kind of just melt the butter in here, keep the heat low. I'm just gonna add our mashed tofu into our ragu sauce.
What are we doing?
This is part of the bechamel still. Okay. I usually add herbs to this, but not for today. Okay, nice. Okay, so now we're gonna add the ropes into the bechamel itself. Okay, after stirring for a good amount of time, you're gonna get this really nice creamy texture. Okay, so this is exactly what you want to be aiming for, and we'll head on to layering the pasta. So what's going on now?
We're layering. First we put the ragu.
That's not ragu though.
Oh, this is the bechamel. So guys, now it's done. Let's put it in the oven. Now be careful, this is heavy. So you turn the heat up to 175 for 30 minutes. Now we let it cook. What are you doing?
Okay, right now we are preparing the chicken. Alright, so we have two lasagnas, keep in mind. So one was the vegetable lasagna, and this is for the chicken lasagna. This is your classic lasagna. Alright, it's okay if you do not want to do this step by yourself. You can always substitute it with minced meat, but I don't like using conventional minced meat in the sense that the texture is different. This way it gives it a bit more clumpier and more bite feeling to it, while regular minced meat will be a bit softer and will give way a lot more. So generally what I like to do is this is a keel, so it's very easy to work with. Okay, most of the time you just strike your knife down all the way and you cut it through the bone. Alright, you hear crunch, you're going the right way. Okay, so usually it has more of a bone like this. So you want to try to cut as close to the bone as you can. Okay, this is a bit far. Okay. Okay. Just run it down the spine of the thing. Just find it. Alright. Feel the bone. Okay, you hear that crack? Yeah. Okay, so next is down to the mincing. Alright, so let me just get my butcher's knife. Okay, now we've got the butcher's knife. Alright, you're gonna just go through the pieces and just chop them really, what's the word I'm looking for? Aggressively. So after this, the process is pretty much the same for making the chicken lasagna. So you have made your ragu the same way. It's just that you flip the you change up where you use the mashed tofu and you just swap it out for chicken, and you pretty much have your chicken lasagna.
For those who's wondering what the chicken one looks like, ta-da!
It's a spatula, right?